In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a bar chart in Canva. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the chart tools and how to enter your data so your graphic is clear and accurate. Start by opening your project in Canva. This can be any design where you want the chart to live, like a presentation slide, a report page, or a social post. Once your project is open, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and click on Elements. This is where Canva keeps shapes, graphics, and importantly for us, charts. In the Elements panel, use the search bar at the top and type bar chart. Canva will filter the results and show a chart section. Click See All to browse the full set of bar chart options. You'll notice several styles, such as vertical bars, horizontal bars, and stacked bars. Choose the type that best matches your data story. For example, a simple vertical bar chart is great for comparing categories, while a horizontal layout can help when your category names are long. Stacked bars are useful when you want to show parts of a whole across categories. When you click the style you want, Canva places a sample bar chart onto your canvas. At this point, you've successfully created a bar chart. The next step is to make it yours with real data. Click the chart on your canvas to select it. When it's selected, a panel opens on the left side showing a simple data table. This is where you'll input your values and labels. Replace the placeholder entries with your own information. Type your category names, like product lines or months, in the first column, and enter the corresponding numbers in the adjacent columns. If you're showing multiple series, such as different regions or years, add those values in the next columns. As you type, the chart updates instantly, so you'll see your changes reflected right away. Keep numbers clean and consistent. Avoid symbols like dollar signs in the value fields, and use whole numbers or decimals as needed. If you already have your data in a spreadsheet, you can paste it directly into the table to save time. If the data panel doesn't appear, make sure the chart is actively selected on the canvas. You can always click away and click back on the chart to refresh the panel. Once your values are in and everything looks correct, take a quick moment to scan the categories and ensure they match the story you want to tell. That's it. You've found the chart, chosen the right style, and entered your data. You now have a clean, readable bar chart ready to use in your design.